Homer is an unincorporated community in Angelina County, Texas, United States, southeast of Lufkin, in Deep East Texas. It was reported to have a population of about 360 in the early 1990s. Homer once served as the county seat for Angelina County. Homer has a long and rich history. It was once known as Angelina for a brief period of time. Today, Homer is so small that the residents have Lufkin mailing addresses. Also, the majority of the residents considered themselves Lufkin residents rather than Homer ones. Students study in the Lufkin Independent School District. External links: Handbook of Texas online page about Homer. U.S. Geological Survey Geographic Names Information System, Homer, Texas.